Okay, so this whole video is basically optional. It's a question that got asked in class, and it kind of took me down a rabbit hole, and I had to kind of get it all in my head. So since I went and did the work anyway, I'm as well showing you. So this is all about dates, okay, and the date function. As we looked at in the past, we can sort by date of birth, etc. It's chronological sort, and it simply displays the information just in that order. Okay, so that's nice and easy. We had to look in the last video how we can go about and search. So what we're going to do is where and DOB. Now you're going to notice in this video what I've done is I've tweaked the database. What I did was went into users. Okay, so if I open up users, I'll show you this. Went in design view, and I changed it to date time extended. This is just to show you it makes no difference practically to us, but it does allow me to do this bits. But you'll now notice that I'm now doing that. So what I'm doing is I'm putting a quote mark around it, and you'll also notice that where date of birth. Oh, it's order by no order. Don't need to order by it. Right, let's take a view. Okay, so you'll now notice that when I'm doing the search for the 11th of the 9th, or the 11th of the 9th, I'm putting it in the right order, and that's just changing it into extended, but it doesn't really matter, okay, because it's the last time we're going to be looking at that. So what I was thinking to myself was, right, how do I then find all the birthdays that happen in September? So all the September birthdays, regardless of when in September it is. Now that did leave me with a little bit of a quandary, because you can't just stick in a star in here, because that's the first thing I thought. Oh well, I'll just do a star, and that's all the people born in 2001. I know there's at least one, so I did that. And I got an error. And I thought, well, maybe you need to do star star. So I did that, and I got an error. And I was left scratching my head going, right, how to do it? Well, the way you actually do it is you say where the month of the date of birth equals 9. Okay, so the 9th month. So if I hit view, these are all the people who were born in September for all different years. All right, and you can do that. Now, that's quite clever. Can I then see all the people who were born in 2001? So, yep, you can do that. We can do year, date of birth is 2001. Okay, that displays all the 2001s. Now, you could do that using a between expression, and that would be fine as well as one of those things as I was going through it, but I'm not going to do that in a database. And the last one is fairly obvious. If you want to find everybody who was baby born on a particular day, so if I say day and I say the first, so everybody who was born on the first, and hit view, these are all people who were born in the first. And by using a combination of ands, okay, we can say where people were born on this day, on this month. So I can find all the people who were born in September, say in 2001, by simply saying where month equals 9 and year, DOB, equals 2001. Okay, and there's all the people who were born in September that year. Okay, in 2001. That's quite nice and quite easy. Can I find out then other things? Can I do like counts? So if I was, for example, to take that and I was just to say count star. Okay, and I hit view, and you'll see that says 6. Okay, so what that does is that gives me a count of how many people were born in September 2001. So I can then say as set 2001. Alright, and I hit view again, and then September 2001, 6. Well, that's great. What does that mean then? Oh, the muck might have mucked up my thing. So, does that mean then that we can do other stuff? Well, yeah, of course we can do other stuff. What kind of other stuff? Well, if I take that and I say group by year, date of birth, okay, and I say, right, select, and I say year, date of birth, comma, count, star, as birthdays. So if I hit view, these are all the birthdays in a particular bin. And I've still got expression 100, so if I just go back, fix that, make it look pretty. So I can say as year. Okay, so there's the years and there's the birthdays. Alright, so we've grouped it, we've counted them, that's it. Now, none of that is probably going to be in any coursework or anything else, but it is one of those things where I had to know the answer, and by having to know the answer, you kind of have to work through and do it. You can also find out all the different people who are born in different years, in different months, and stuff like that, and you can kind of just pull it out. So there we go. There's 3 functions we don't need, but we've done it anyway, and that is the day, the month, and the year function, and that allows you to match particular things from a date field. Okay, so hopefully that answers your question. But normally when we're just searching for a specific date, we're just putting in the hash near the side of it, that octothorpe, and that allows us to match it to a particular date. Thanks for listening. Hope you have a great Christmas. And just ignore the noise in the background. That's you all playing games. Okay, bye bye.